to the final video in this Amazon PPC training series. In this, I'm going to show you why it is essential for you to be advertising on Amazon and the benefits it's had for our business. So again, moving inside of our Seller Central account, and specifically the product we focus this training around, which is our weightlifting belt. As you can see, this is a very popular product. It's done us very well. It currently has a sales rank of 2,205 in the sports and outdoors category, which is very competitive, and it's actually moved up to number 4 within the weightlifting belts category. That's a very competitive category within fitness. It's an essential product that most gym goers use, and as you can see, it's actually priced quite expensive. Really, it's $16.99. It is a quality product, but as you can see, the leather belt here, which is at number 1, is actually £1 cheaper at $15.99, despite leather being a much more expensive product, and ours is priced at over £20. So essentially the real difference is we've advertised this product heavily, and I'm going to show you a product that we have never advertised, and that is another Boss Fitness product, and this is our wrist wraps. Now, this product does sell every now and then. It is a quality product. I use it myself, and we've had some great results with it selling through our website, but we've never pushed it on Amazon. And I'm just going to show you the difference. The sales rank for this is currently 1,018 essentially. It's number 187 in fitness wraps, so really it's nowhere. And the only difference is we've advertised this product, and the reason we've done that is to try and get it to the top of the search results. If I was to type in wrist wraps, there's no chance this product's going to show up. I don't advertise it, so it's certainly not going to show up in the sponsored results, but it's not going to end up in any of the organic results either. So as I said, no one's seeing this product, and really you're never going to get any sales. You're never going to get anywhere without it. I can do everything you want to get organic search results for that, and I can show you the actual back end of this product to show that we've optimized it. If you were to look, it's got all the right keywords in there, it's got good images, it's actually got a free training guide, so we're throwing in extras in there. It's got everything you need to rank it organically. If I was to scroll down and have a look at the back end of this product, you can see we've put in all the right keywords, it's formatted correctly, we've done everything you need in there. It's got a detailed description, it's got a SEO focused title, it's got HTML description, and as I say, it's got good images. So there's no reason why this product should not do well. The only difference is it hasn't been advertised. So as you can see there, it really is essential for you to advertise on Amazon. Doesn't matter how much you do with your organic optimization, you have to advertise to get out there. And ultimately, everybody selling on Amazon is doing so to make money. So you really want to scale. You don't want to just pick up a couple of organic sales a day. The only way to do that is by advertising on Amazon. You can really dial down your results. I'm getting, I sell in a very competitive product with our weightlifting products, but you'll be able to see that a lot of our advertising, we get a fantastic ACOS on. Average cost of sale, I have to scroll down, is as low as 10%, 12%, 17%, 20%, 26% and 31 orders. This product here has had 370 orders and as low as a 30% ACOS, and again, I know the break even on that is about 20%. We could reduce that further, but it's a product that we wanted to make number 1, and we have done. It is essentially selling so quickly it run out of stock, so I've had to turn the advert off. So we need to get that stocked up, and this advert will be getting further optimized as we have discussed in this training series. So I hope this has been of help to you. If you want to hear any more, contact us. Our contact details are on our website, upgradebusinessservices.com.